Good day. So I'm doing the rear wheel replacement on my '04 Hayabusa, and I've encountered some scope creep. I thought I would replace the rear sprocket while I'm at it, with the wheel off. It's showing a bit of wear. I would say it's, I don't know, half worn out, I don't know. But definitely there's some wear showing on that rear sprocket. I'll get the wheel back on with this new sprocket and then work on the chain and countershaft sprocket next. But it's an opportunity to include this with the scope of work. Then I won't have to play with it later on down the road. You know, maybe go another, I don't know, a few thousand, several thousand K before the sprockets get really worn and the chain. So I thought I'd do it now. And something interesting about this is this OEM sprocket. I would say that's made of aluminum. I'm kind of surprised. Just the lightness of it, I can't say for sure what it is, but definitely aluminum alloy. It's lightweight compared to this steel sprocket made by JT, which is said to be a replacement for this OEM sprocket. And I've had success with JT sprockets on other bikes, so I'll go with this. But it's definitely, this is steel. It's got some heft to it. This thing, it's lightweight. I'm surprised that OEM is aluminum. Can't see for sure, but my guess it's aluminum. Anyhow, so yeah, I got the old sprocket off, and here's my new tire mounted on my wheel here. So next part of the job, get the wheel on and or get the sprocket on this hub. Torque it to specification. I got my service manual handy. There is a torque spec for those bolts and for the nuts that hold the rear sprocket onto that hub. Make sure that's done according to spec. Yeah, so next task, get the wheel on and proceed to do the front sprocket and chain replacement. That fairing has to come off on the left hand side to access the countershaft sprocket. It's no big deal. But I'll get that work done with the bike off the stand, off the support, with the bike on its side stand. Should work easier that way. Anyhow, thanks for watching.